Welcome to Bajaj Auto Chakan. Situated 18 kilometers away from the Akurdi plant, this is Bajaj Auto's most modern and technologically advanced manufacturing facility. On entering the factory premises, you will be greeted by lush green surroundings, a large water reservoir, waterfalls, fountains and lakes. Our day in Chakan starts with the hoisting of the national flag. The first shift starts at 6:30 a.m., for which employees reach the company premises at 6:05 a.m. A young, energetic team forms the majority in Chakan. There are no workers here. Most employees are ITIs and diploma engineers and are called line engineers and members. Breakfast and tea is served in this spacious canteen, capable of seating approximately 600 people at a time. The canteen is a self-service one. This is a place not only to eat in, but a place where we refresh and rejuvenate ourselves. On entering the main corridor, to the left is the sentence that drives us to excel. We are proud of our nation and we work to make our nation proud. Before the start of the shifts, we all assemble in our respective shop floors for exercise, after which we sing the national anthem and reverberate the Chakan philosophy. The various work groups then hold a meeting to set their work targets of the day. 5 minutes every day is spent in TPM and startup activities. Components come from different shops to the vehicle assembly area, where you can see the motorbikes being assembled on 3 conveyors. The chassis comes from the PTCED shop, where pre-treatment and cathodic electrodeposition is carried out. Power and free conveyors transport the chassis and engines to vehicle assembly. Machining of aluminium parts like crankcase, cylinder block and cylinder head is carried out in the aluminium shop. A unique centralized coolant system circulates 1,60,000 litres of coolant in 13 production cells throughout the shop. Advanced CNC machines supplied by Fanuc, Makino, NTC are used. We have auto loaders and effective material handling systems for reduction of fatigue and operator movement. In the crankcase cells, robots supplied by Fanuc are used for loading, unloading and transfer of components from machine to machine. At the end of the cell, we have an SPC-based gauging system linked to the machines. This has helped us in achieving zero rejection. The steel shop has a production cell for gears and camshafts. We also have a metrology lab and standards room with advanced measuring equipment in the steel machine shop. All employees work for 480 minutes during a shift, and specified timings for activities like breakfast, lunch and tea are strictly followed. A sense of belongingness in the employees is created through an annual get-together, factory visits of family members and felicitation of newly married couples. Facilities for indoor games like badminton, carom, chess are available in the plant. A well-equipped gym has also been created in the plant for use of the employees after working hours. Engine assembly is fully air-conditioned for dust control and to maintain high quality of engines. Conveyors in the assembly area are equipped with kit bins to avoid motion loss, reduce fatigue and facilitate ease of operation. Special bins have been designed for transportation and handling of components to avoid metal-to-metal contact and maintain the quality of the components. During assembly, all engines are tracked using RFID tags, with which multi-model assembly lines run without errors. Every engine undergoes a quality check after being assembled. It is then loaded onto the power and free conveyor and transported to vehicle assembly. Vehicle assembly has been provided with a special manipulator with zero gravity effect for engine fitment. Its function is to collect the engine from the drop lift and insert it into the chassis in 20 seconds at the desired location. The heavy engine can be lifted by one finger only. Chakan has a compact plant layout. Line engineers and members are responsible for output, quality, equipment and process. All information related to production, quality, cost, delivery, safety and morale is displayed on the boards in every shop. Employees are encouraged to share knowledge by displaying a one-point lesson and take part in improvement activities through Kaizens. Kaizen competitions are organized once in every quarter and the best Kaizen is awarded a rolling trophy. The Shared Learning Center is the gateway for the newcomers to undergo induction training on safety, the Chakan philosophy, Chakan products and various manufacturing processes. Continuous learning and upgradation of knowledge is ensured through participation in internal and external training programs, evening lectures and the learning management system available on the intranet. We take full care to maintain cleanliness and hygienic conditions in our canteen. All of us make it a point to push in our chairs, keep our plates and glasses in the utensil racks and leave the table as clean as possible. We treat the wastage as our biggest enemy and make all possible efforts to keep wastage as low as possible. Employees may put in their suggestion slip in the suggestion box provided. Our paint shop has 3 lines, one for plastic parts, the second one is for fuel tank color painting and the third one is the lacquer line. We use a nanotechnology-based green pre-treatment process in the fuel tank line and have eliminated the generation of hazardous waste. The auto paint applicators in the paint shop are the outcome of the creative efforts taken by our process team to offer effective and economical alternatives to expensive machines available in the market. We have developed an inkjet application system for printing of graphics on fuel tanks. This is our patented process. We have achieved substantial manpower reduction after installation of this system and have also eliminated plastic waste generation in this area. Safe conditions are emphasized in Bajaj Auto Chakan. Emergency assembly points, a fire engine and mock safety drills are some of the safety measures that we have undertaken in our plant. A rolling trophy is awarded to the department with the best safety record during the past year. The plant has a fully equipped dispensary. Doctors, medical assistants and an ambulance are available 24 hours for any medical requirement. We at Bajaj Auto Chakan have been awarded the TPM Excellence Award, India Manufacturing Excellence Super Platinum Award as well as OSAS 18,000 and ISO 14,000 certificates. Canteen waste is treated in a vermiculture plant and is converted into fertilizer for use in the garden. All discharges and effluents are treated in the effluent treatment plant and stipulated pollution norms are followed. The treated water is used for gardening and nothing is discharged outside the factory premises. Chakan has just one office. There are no cabins. Everyone, including our plant head, sits in this office and can be easily approached. We don't have any stores in Chakan. There is direct online feeding of material by our vendors. The total of online pulsar vendor items is 95%. The average inventory of online items is below 0.5 days. 33 major vendors have set up their production units in Chakan to ensure smooth and timely supply of components as per production requirements. The outstation vendors supply their components through a logistics provider. auto-guided vehicles have been provided for material handling and supply of components to production lines. We follow the TPM philosophy in Chakan. Our aim is to improve productivity by 1.5 times, achieve zero customer complaints, zero breakdowns, zero defects, zero accidents, 30% cost reductions and 100% delivery schedule adherence. Every vehicle is tested on the dynamometer to ensure that they are 100% trouble-free. Compliance with pollution norms is checked before the vehicle is sent for dispatch. The product of our team effort is sent to the Bajaj auto dealers spread all over the country. Necessary care is taken to protect the vehicles from transit damages. The Chakan team has already achieved many milestones in the past years and is ready for all future challenges. A motivating factor is the Chakan philosophy and oath. We must do it, we will do it, and we will succeed. There is focused effort on becoming globally competitive and winning with our products. As the shift draws to an end, buses are ready and lined up to take the employees back home. There is a sense of tiredness, but along with it comes the satisfaction of a job well done. It's time to go home, but we look forward to another challenging tomorrow in Bajaj Auto Chakan.